Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer logs from AWS CloudWatch into Datadog step by step clearly. To transfer logs from AWS CloudWatch into Datadog, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the CloudWatch service in the console dashboard. Click on Logs in the left-hand menu to access your CloudWatch log groups. Select the log group that contains the logs you want to transfer to Datadog. Next, click on the Actions button and choose Export Data to Amazon S3. Specify the time range for the log, set an S3 bucket where your logs will be stored, and then initiate the export. Once the logs are exported to S3, log into your Datadog account. In Datadog, navigate to the Integrations page. Search for the AWS integration and click on it to view the setup instructions. Follow the prompts to create an IAM role that Datadog can use to access your S3 bucket. Ensure that the IAM role has permissions for S3 access and CloudWatch logs. After creating the IAM role, copy the role ARN for later use. Next, go back to Datadog and input the role ARN into the provided field. Proceed to configure the log collection settings according to your preferences. Save the configuration and return to your Datadog dashboard. Now, create a new log pipeline to process the incoming logs from AWS. Define any necessary filters or processing rules for your log data. Once the pipeline is created, test it to ensure logs from CloudWatch are flowing to Datadog smoothly. Monitor your Datadog interface to verify that the logs appear as expected. If issues arise, check the IAM role permissions and configuration settings. With everything set up properly, you can now analyze and visualize. Congratulations, you have successfully transferred logs from AWS CloudWatch into Datadog. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.